guys, what's up? Oh, sorry, let me spit out my gum. Okay, hey guys, what's up? It's Claire here. If this is your first time to my channel, we are gathered here today because I have an addiction to buying things that I do not really need. In this case, I am going to try to make some points on why I did need some of these items, which I really did. There were some things I needed to restock up on that I use all the time. But all in all, I went shopping today. I went to Ulta and I went to Bath & Body Works. So I know that's like a random combination, but this is going to be an Ulta and Bath & Body Works combo, which I know I can say like those are two of my favorite places to spend money. And a lot of my friends would probably agree, like they probably have the same addictions. And I know those two places don't go together. But I have this big bag of stuff filled from Ulta. And I don't even know if I can lift this bigger bag of stuff from Bath & Body Works. So I don't really think it matters which one we start with. I guess I'll start with the Ulta stuff. So today's just gonna be a haul, and I'm just gonna kind of show y'all what all I got and why I got it. So here we go. So again, we're gonna start with the Ulta bag. So there were some things that I just grabbed because I was like, I need that, I need that, and I was feeling really confident about my purchases for some reason. And you know what it is? It's their Ulta Beauty reward system, how when you spend money you get the points, and I'm a platinum member right now, so I get the points like 1.25 like times what I spend each dollar. I don't know if that made any sense, but anyway, so I have like $70 in reward points right now, and it's just motivating to keep making that thing grow, and I don't know why. But the first thing I got was the Batiste dry shampoo. Now I have that Not Your Mother's dry shampoo, but I've used all of it. Like there's a little bit left in one, and I'm going to the beach spring break, and so I felt like this would be good. It smells like blush. Oh, that was a stupid move. Why did I do that? Okay, let's try to, my hair looks gray. It smells great though, so it smells really great, and I got the mini just because I like to put that like in my purse. I did get a lot of like skincare type things, which if you know me, you know like I'm not super duper into skincare like 98% of the other people on YouTube. But then I got this stuff that I heard a lot of good things about. It's the Mario Badescu skincare. It's a facial spray with aloe, herbs, and rose water, and it was in the section for oily skin, and it smelled really good. And so yeah, it smells really like clean, and you can just mist it onto hair, face, and skin throughout the day as needed. So yeah, we're gonna try this, see how that works. Next up was a restock item, and I saw this on the sale rack, and I was like, okay, you know what, I'm just gonna get it. I've been putting it off, and you know I love the Origins Ginseng Energy Boosting Gel Moisturizer. This is pretty much the only main step into my skincare routine on a daily basis, because I got a ton of mini, sorry, Siri keeps listening to me. I got a ton of like the mini ones from Influencer a while back, and I'm on my last one finally, and it's been lasting me like almost a year. So I decided, this was $30, which I think is about the normal price point for it, but I realized I needed it. I needed to go ahead and buy it, so this will probably last me until fall, honestly. Next up, I was almost out of my Morphe setting mist. It honestly feels like there is nothing in here, so I got another Morphe setting mist because it just works really well. It smells really good, and they went up $1 on it. I believe it was $15 and it was $16 today. So another restock item for me is the Urban Decay Perversion, the Longwear Eye Pencil. This is like the only black eyeliner that I stand by. It's just so good. Sorry, I noticed my makeup on the tip of my nose is coming off. Ah! You know what this is from? Sorry, I'm fixing my makeup. It's from smelling all the candles in Bath & Body Works, and it kept poking me in the nose. We're just gonna act like we never saw that. It's still a little blotchy because I have powder, but you know what, just pretend you don't see any of that. Okay, this, I don't even know why I grabbed this. I've never smelt it, never heard anything about it. I was beside the register and it just caught my eye, and I've been wanting some new like lip stuff to put in my backpack, and this is the EOS Organic Pomegranate Raspberry Lasting Hydration Lip Care, and it was like a pinky one. They also had like a vanilla one, and then they had a mint one, but I hope I like this. I don't know why I grabbed it. Sometimes it's like I black out when I'm in Ulta and I just start grabbing things, and I had a bag, and normally I go in there and say like, no thank you, I really don't want a bag, because that will like encourage me to fill up the bag. And then I went in there without a bag, and then I ended up going and getting a bag because I grabbed that much stuff. This morning I was actually filming a video where I had on red lipstick, and I was like, I really want some red lip liner, so I got a red lip liner. I didn't swatch this or anything. I do have another lip liner from NYX that I like, but this is from NYX, and it's in the shade Summer Tease, and it's just kind of like an orangey red. Actually, it's like true red, so this is like it compared to a red lippy. So yeah, hopefully that'll be good. Another restock item is my Maybelline BB cream. This is in the shade light medium. I normally have just plain medium, but I'm a little pasty right now. I need to start tanning more, but I decided to go ahead and get it in light. That way I could start wearing it. I've been wearing the CoverGirl matte finish one, like my day-to-day basis, but I just really like this one because it kind of gives you like a dewy look. So yeah, this one's probably my favorite BB cream ever. Okay, we have two more things from Ulta. So one thing I've heard a lot about is the Clinique. It's like that skin ID stuff. I didn't get that because it was $39, and I was like, this was $14, and it's by Clinique. It is a dramatically different hydrating jelly. I got this because I didn't think I was going to find this Origin stuff. I found this like right before I left, and so I got this, and just because I have oily skin, and gels kind of like keep you from getting more oily but also really moisturize your skin, so I really am looking forward to trying this out. And then the last thing I got from Ulta, I hope this is the last thing, is the L'Oreal Pure Clay Cleanser. It's a detox brighten clay to mousse. It removes everyday impurities, dirt, oil, and pollution. So it's just like a facial scrub. It says to squeeze onto your hands, and then it'll transform into a mousse, and then you gently massage it into circular motions on your face, and then you rinse it off. So it's kind of like a face wash, but I have this almost same stuff in their face mask, and it just makes my blackheads come out, and it's amazing. So I'm hoping I really like that. Y'all, I bought 4 candles today. I had a $10 off 30 coupon, and then I also the candles were $10 off, and they convinced me that they could do 2 separate transactions, so I ended up spending about $40 in Bath & Body Works, which is just like, I don't know. I've been having my same fresh balsam, I've been saying balsam, you know what I'm talking about, the tree one from there, the candle, and I noticed it's like just a Christmas scent, like they don't have it anymore, so I'm gonna have to like go very slowly with my last one because I'm not about to go a whole entire year without smelling that thing. So yeah, that was upsetting, unless they just didn't have it in the store. Anyway, we're gonna go ahead and get to this haul. So I got this Rose 5 fragrance mist. They were on sale for $5.50. It smells so good. Like, I would spray my pillows with this stuff. It just smells like rose. It's like a new line they have in there. This is just a fragrance mist. Again, their mists were on sale for $5.50 today, and just so you know, they have different sales like every day of the week. If you sign up for their emails, they'll be like, last day to get $10 off 25 or 30 whatever dollar candles, but just wait because they will go on sale if you don't get it that day. Sometimes they're $12.95, sometimes they're $14.50. You know, like, you never know. First candle I got was Cactus Blossom. It is in this just hot pink container. I thought it smelled so good. It smells very summery. Oh, I'm gonna take that makeup off my nose again. I keep hitting myself with it. It just smells really good, and it smells clean, and it's not like an overbearing smell. So it says it has fragrance notes of cactus flower petal, sun-kissed coconut, vanilla, sparkling lemon. So yeah, that's about what you smell. It just smells really clean, and I don't like the sweet candles. Like, I don't like anything with, like, I don't know, like overly vanilla, you know, and I don't like super strong smells that'll give you a headache. The next candle that I got was also in the Rose collection. It is called Love. Rose plus vanilla is in it, and it's in their aromatherapy. It smells so clean, and it smells kind of like, it smells like this a lot, basically like it. And it says, on the bottom it says, it has rose oil feelings of connection and self-confidence. Vanilla extract encourages relaxation. Okay, well, I need some self-confidence and some connection and some relaxation, so I'll be lighting this bad boy tonight. Next up, we got the Aloha Kiwi Passion Fruit. Now, they had an entire section over there that was just filled with nothing but like beachy smells, like waves and ocean breeze and all these kind of types of scents, and this one was in that section, and it just smells like, let me tell you what it smells like. Tropical passion fruit, radiant kiwi, and juicy pineapple. And it smells like those things, but it's not like too sweet. And this is a good candle to even just like sit out open over your like toilet or something, you know, like it kind of just has a fragrance on its own without even having to light it. So that's why I really liked it. And I'm always drawn to like pinky colors. Like you've noticed the past 3 candles are pinky, and that Fresh Blossom, whatever it's called, candle was always like a green or a blue or a white or like a teal color, and so it didn't really go with my bedroom. But I mean I really care more about the smell than anything, but I also really do like a pretty candle that I don't mind. But you can also take these off and just have like the white candle, but I don't know. But before I show the last candle, I'll go ahead and show you this really quick. I didn't even smell it. I just needed to spend $1 more at the front. So I got this hand sanitizer hand gel, and it's some Fiji white sands. Okay, yeah, that smells good. I just needed some more for my backpack and purse and stuff. I have like 5 of them, but they're all dispersed in different areas. And for the last candle, we have Endless Weekend. Now, I saw Laura Lee gets this candle all the time, and so that's why I was like, I want to go smell it myself. And it just smells calming. Like, it smells like relaxing. It smells like really... It smells like a lake house, almost. Like, I've never been to the lake, but this is what I imagine a lake house smelling like. It smells like fresh summer mandarin, sun-kissed magnolia, and blue coconut water. I've never smelled any of those things, but that's what it... I mean, it paints a good picture in your head. So yeah, sorry this was like a random haul, like a mix of makeup and candles, but those are like 2 of my favorite things. So, sorry. I really just want some more of this on. I should have ended up getting like 2 of these. I will end up getting more. This just smells really, really good. Like, I would spray that on like furniture to make it smell good. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed this little haul. If you want to see more hauls, this is mainly like a skincare type of self-care haul is really what it is. That's what I guess we'll call this. So yeah, it's like a self-care haul. But I hope you enjoyed this video. I will be posting 3 times a week, so you might as well subscribe. We're approaching 1 year on YouTube, so that's really exciting. That means a giveaway. Yeah, it's been a really good day of shopping, and now I'm gonna go light some candles and take my makeup off and maybe do something with my face and my new things. So yeah, I'll see y'all in my next video, and I hope you have a great day wherever you are. Mwah. Bye!